Hi guys! Welcome to Simply Kathy. And for today's video, andito kami ngayon sa Adelaide Zoo. We're actually excited because this is our very first time here. And we're very happy because we invited our friends to come join us today. Mukhang nagpa-vlog pa yung isa. Okay, so we are with our friends for today, all the way from Indonesia. So they traveled for like 5 hours from Indonesia to here. Okay. Hi guys! So how are you?
Yeah,
You okay? The vlogger couple as well from Indonesia, Norma and the Pete. So subscribe to them, okay? Subscribe to them. Nasi from Indonesia as well. Hi Nasi. And our friend Babita from Nepal. Hi guys. So they are gonna be joining us for today. So see ya. I think the entrance to the zoo, but this is our first time here, so we actually don't know. So we're going to the information desk to ask kung kailangan pa ba namin bumili ng ticket. Because probably there's ticket here. Did you ask how much is that? How much is that? Good guys, akala namin it's only
It's okay.
$16,
It's okay.
but how much is that? 42. It's $42 per head. Yeah, if you're an adult, if I know it's free for children below ilang taon ba? Hindi ko alam. Walkabout tour meeting point. Oh, tours depart on the hour from here. So it's 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. So guys, we're here now. And we have the map here. So meron kaming guide. Hi, penguins! So cute! Wow, they're swimming, guys. Parang ang sarap mag-swim dyan. You okay? Are you hungry? Oh, I think that's why he's sad. He's just sleeping because he's the only one there.
I think he doesn't have it.
Malungkot yung crocodile dito because he has no partner. Right, Babita?
Yeah?
She has no partner, right?
I don't have partner.
No! The crocodile!
Crocodile, I thought my.
Hey, you want to marry the crocodile?
And then she will give the birth baby like half crocodile and half human.
What kind of imagination is that? Huh?
Hybrid kind of.
Oh my gosh, the boys are there already. Hindi nila kami kayang hintayin. Mga girls, naiinit. So we're still walking and wants to check kung ano pa yung mga animals na makikita dito. So cute!
I don't know.
They're running! They are the small clawed otter.
Yeah.
Hi guys! They're like cats. They're meowing. Oh! Oh my god, what is this? So cute. Oh, where are you going? Good.
Pandas.
So, guys, actually, excited akong makita yung kangaroo dito and koala. But I know they have animal experience na ina-offer nila dito, but you have to pay for additional fee and you have to book it online. So, if you book for an animal experience, you can actually feed them and have a face-to-face encounter with them. So, it's actually nice. I want to try, but it's $55. You know, gusto kong makakita ng koala and then like interact with a koala, but it's so expensive. This is the birds. Very cute. So oh, it's a tamarind. So what's a tamarind? What? Okay. Oh my gosh! Really cute. Oh my gosh! baby. Hi, baby. This is what we're waiting for. The chicken. Chicken.
Where we get our products.
Yeah. Hey, wrong info.
It's wrong info. Check it.
It's wrong information.
Yeah.
No, no, no.
Calling for the animals. Wow, akala mo talaga busy maghanap. Sana all talaga.
Yeah, I'm just finding another toilet.
Hanap niya po talaga toilet. Okay, hindi talaga siya naghahanap ng animals. Dingo. Yeah. so you're just telling rabbit, not a bit. So kinukwento niya. Can you see that? That's a Brazilian tapir. Ooh, so cute. Hi. Oh, they're stretching.
Yeah, we're so happy.
You happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. We need this. Yeah, it looks like a rabbit and a kangaroo. Yes, can we go there? So there's a goat in your house?
Yeah, there are a lot of goats.
Oh yeah. Same in our country. It's okay. Hello. So ayan, nakita mo na siya. Ay, gusto ko lang mag-shout out kay Kuya Jaja. Ayan. For this kangaroo. Saan tayo next? Okay, let's go. Guys, alam nyo ba, ng Adelaide Zoo, it's a home for about 2,500 animals and 250 species of exotic and native animals. In Australia, alam ko, di ba? Nagbasa ako. Share lang yun, guys, pero totoo yun. I love my friends. I love my friends. Oh my God. Ganyan kami, guys, pag wala sa work.
Bayada here. I'm looking for Bayada here, but there's no Bayada.
Hey, it's day off today. We have no work. Oh my gosh, yeah. It's our day off, okay? We love Bayada, okay? Don't get us wrong. We love Bayada. Pero guys, nakalimutan namin mag-day off. Day off namin today. So feeling nagtatrabaho kami, okay? Look. Rejected. Ignored. Nasa bamboo forest na raw tayo, guys. Okay. Look, there's a lot of bamboo. That's why.
So bamboo forest.
Yee!
Forest.
Magandang pumunta dito, guys. The way of the panda. So we're going there.
Of the panda.
Yeah, come on.
Panda. This is panda, okay?
So guys, papunta kami to meet the pandas, okay? Hey, nasaan yung panda? Where's the panda? Guys, the panda is on the sick leave, okay? Look, that one. Yeah, here!
What the hell?
It's so cute. Hey, what are you doing? Guys, gusto niya nakatalikod siya. Ayaw niya magpakita sa amin, kaya ganyan siya ngayon. Ayan na siya! Yay! Oh! So mukhang hindi siya natuwa sa amin, kaya siya
No
nagtago.
panda now, let's go.
No panda now, let's go. Let's go home. Only one panda. Where are the other pandas? Only one?
Only one.
Sad. So this is the Fig Tree Cafe. So if you guys want to eat, then you can just go here. Siyempre, nakapagod din naman maghanap ng animals. Char. Unfortunately, wala siya pag weekend. Yung animal experience na yun na ino-offer nila to meet the koala. Wala siya ng weekend. And today is Saturday, so it's just so sad. It's Australian pelican. Actually, guys, I want to announce to you that after a long time of looking for my siblings, at last nakita ko na sila. Hi, sis. Sis, kamusta naman? Ginagawa mo? Oh, she's busy. Sis. Hey. Ito lang ba't mga auto
Martina.
Martina? Guys, parang siyang Maya, oh. Katerina. So, parang part na to tour sa bird. So, nice. So guys, ang Adelaide Zoo, it's open from 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day, including Christmas Day and public holidays. So, araw-araw siyang bukas. So, anytime talaga pwede kayong pumunta dito. Char! Akala mo nasa Adelaide. This is the Minchin House. Okay? Yung Minchin House, that's the Minchin House. Ko lang alam. Basta Minchin House siya. Yun yung sinabi. Yun kasi ako sabi dun, oh. Nalaman ko, di ba? What? A tiger? Okay. So guys, sabi din dito na yung mga food ng monkeys is only prepared in this kitchen. So, hindi siya parang advisable na bigyan ng pagkain ng mga visitors because it's not advisable. These are my family. Oh, so cute! So guys, papakita ko na sa inyo yung family ko. So nag-aaway sila ngayon, actually. Ay, hindi. Okay sila ngayon. Ayan, naglalaro sila. Dad, come here. Please don't leave me, Dad. Ayan. Ano yan, Dad?
Orangutan?
You have to come.
Yeah, Bali is very popular,
Yeah,
right?
popular.
We need to
word.
come.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bali
very popular.
and then Jakarta here.
Even though
Jakarta,
Jakarta, Indonesia as well.
the
Yeah.
capital
Oh my
city.
gosh.
But
Oh,
mostly people from Australian come to Bali.
Bali.
Yeah,
Bali.
Bali. Yeah.
So guys, alam nyo na, kailangan namin pumunta ng Indonesia. Bukas, okay, tomorrow we'll come there.
Of course, yes.
Today.
Look, I said that orang.
This is my town,
This
Sumatra.
is Norma's town.
Yep, my town.
Norma's town.
Oh.
Original town.
Next is town here.
Yep,
Next is
Java.
town.
Java.
And then next
Oh.
one, yeah, this one.
Oh my
Small
gosh.
The small
The
one.
small one?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we met here.
Ah!
Yeah, we met here in the middle. Next,
That's so
next
cute!
Next,
That's a cute love story, guys. Like a ghost. Parang siyang ghost. Guys, for now, we're just taking a rest. I think they're like... Nessie! Are you okay? How's the trip so far?
So much fun.
So much fun.
With you guys.
Hey, vloggers, how are you? How's the trip?
I think it's perfect
Are you sure?
because I saw many animals from Indonesia.
Yeah, just good. And this girl is very busy. How's the trip so far for you?
It's so nice, you know.
Really?
Relax.
Oh yeah, it looks very relaxing. That. And this is so tired. And this is the tour guide. Hey, how's the trip so far?
It's very relaxed.
Oh really? So looking for Nessie. We're looking for Nessie.
Where's Nessie here? Come on.
Nessie.
Nessie, I think.
They're showing us a dance move. You dancing? So guys, daan lang kami ng shop to check if we can buy something from here. Hey, here, Dad! May koala, Dad! 33.985. But this is so cute! Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, silang socks. Very nice. Look. This is for Carmen. I want to give Look, I want to give something for Carmen. Tingin lang tayo kasi ang mahal. So guys, I think we're done here in the zoo, and for now, kakain muna kami sa Filipino restaurant because we want to bring them there. See you there! So, we're here in Sweet Laman.
Cappuccino. Cappuccino po. Cappuccino.
Hey guys, you're hungry? Yeah. So napagod po sila, kaya yeah, we deserve food.
It's not my mind, you know, my God.
Excited to eat.
Come on, guys! Serena, like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay. After. So hi guys, that's it for today. Yeah, we're all full.
To like, comment, and subscribe.
So we're done eating here in, what is this? Sweet Lemon. It's a Filipino restaurant. Thank you for joining us in Adelaide Zoo. Don't forget to watch and subscribe. Kat Trinidad. And guys, please
forget to like,
subscribe
comment,
their
and
channel. What's your channel?
Cathy!
No, your channel. Your channel. Abit Limon channel. I'll be putting it here. Thank you guys, and please join us again on our next video.